Hey guys and gals, I'm going to show you how to make a small sleigh with Lego bricks for today's tutorial. Let's begin with a 3x3 plate. We're going to flip this over. I'm going to place a 1x3 plate right here where it's hanging over by one stud, followed by a 1x4 plate and a 1x3 plate right here. Then I'm going to take a modified 1x1 plate with tooth, place these right here. This is going to be the rear portion of our sleigh. We're going to flip this back over. Then we're going to place a 3x3 plate here. We're going to flip it back over again and take a modified 1x2 plate with stick. Place that right there. This is going to be the front portion. We're going to flip that back over. The stud right here. A 1x1 plate. Then a 1x3 jumper plate followed by a 2x3 flat tile. 1x3 jumper plate. And a 1x3 flat tile right here. These are going to be used to anchor down minifigures and accessories. Then we're going to take a string with two studs. This is a smaller version. We're going to place this right here. Depends on how you want your string to face. I'm just going to have the front portion sticking straight out. Place those right there. Then we're going to lock this together with a 1x3 plate. And to crown off those studs, 3 1x1 by 2/3 plate with bow. To finish up the sleigh, now we're going to take a 2x2 box, place a 2x2 jumper plate right on top, and a 1x1 slope. This could be either a present or a package. I'm just going to set this right here.